Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's morning time, boys. In Inwood. It really is. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing off here without f***ing up too bad. Hardly destroyed the place.
so many loud.
Yeah.
Find the hole, find the hole. Find the hole. Come on.
Spit on it. Oh, there's my pipe that I found. That's my good one. Grabbed another piece over there too. I did that one on purpose though. I thought buddy was telling me like, oh yeah, that's cool, like don't even worry about it, we'll just dig that out. But really he was saying like, totally stop digging that out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix it. Yeah. And I just
dug out another
oh.
You're so practice, buddy.
Trapper's fun. Oh, Jim, I didn't realize you were so enthusiastic about safety.
I really am.
It's like one of your enthusiasms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of them.
Yeah. They have several.
I do have several.
Oh, we're done digging, boys. Now we just gotta fill in the hole. Do the old plastic on the wall tech. No drainage or all, just strictly penetrative activities. What happened?
My naples.
No, what? Oh, they chafed? Oh, buddy, not your naples. Oh, I love that. You need
shoveling relentless.
you need pieces of tape. Do you want me to ask Buddy if he's got a piece of tape? And you rip it in half.
Cut yourself?
No, his nippies.
Oh, you're getting shaved nipples? Oh, dude, you can't shave them, man. Don't do that.
You want band-aids or something? No, I'm alright.
Tampon? Or-
I'll take a tampon if you got
Only pads, bro.
Fuck.
No insertion.
Oh, I can't do it while I'm digging.
Yeah.
It's soupy.
See, I pretty well just got 4 more feet of digging, buddy.
What?
Like 4 more feet.
I know.
Hmm?
I know, but my nippy's real bad.
Buddy. Just do your f***ing shirt up like a halter top. What?
Like a halter.
Yeah.
Oh, my nippies.
Yeah.
Oh, goddamn.
Oh, shit. Dude. What? Buddy.
Just
go like this.
No, that hurts real bad.
Holy shnikowitz, we did it. Oh, dick. Pulled over the wide load guy. No wide load sign.
In 600 meters, take a slight right turn to merge onto Highway 402 eastward.
That's not.
I mean, this operation's pretty awesome, but like, it's the efficiency part.
If I could bring both fucking units on a dump truck
and a dump trailer, and have all your shit in one load, that'd be perfect.
I wish I could do literally nothing and get $100. Buddy.
Let's sort it through a t-shirt.
Okay, buddy. Yeah, I will. I'm having one right now. Splendid. What time is it? It's about 5 o'clock. Perfect.
Make it home just in time for supper.
Yeah. Decent.